Let knowledge flow like a river, without any hindrance. Don't make it like a stagnant pool. Welcome back to our Excel tutorial series. We've recently completed the Excel for Beginners series, where we covered the fundamentals of spreadsheets. Title of today's video is, Beyond the Basics, Excel Formulas, Excel Intermediate Part 1. Now, let's dive deeper into the world of Excel formulas. In this video, we'll focus on intermediate level functions that can enhance your data analysis skills. There are various types of functions in Excel, but we'll concentrate on the most common categories. Statistical functions, sum, average, count, COUNTA, max, min, etc. Text functions, concatenate, len, left, right, mid, upper, lower, and proper. These functions will empower you to perform more complex data analysis tasks. Remember, practice is key to mastering Excel formulas. Join us in the next video, where we'll explore advanced techniques. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave your comments below. Your support motivates us to continue creating valuable content. Welcome to our Excel tutorial series. Today, we're exploring the dashboard feature, a powerful tool for organizing and interacting with Excel functions. Dashboard Overview. This dashboard is designed to provide a centralized hub for various Excel functions. Let's break down its components. Drop-down menu, located in cells A3 to E4, this menu allows you to quickly switch between different functions. Interchangeable display, this area, located above the merged cells F1 to P1, will display the syntax and usage of the selected function. Function demonstration area, the merged cells F1 to P1 showcase the use of each function, while the cells below provide practical examples. Function type, first I am going to discuss on statistical function. From function sum to function MINA, all are statistical function. Getting started. Function 2. Sum. Let's begin with the sum function. As you can see in the merged cells F1 to P1, the syntax for the sum function is equals sum, range. This function calculates the sum of a range of cells. Demonstration, in cells F3 to P3, we have a set of numbers and this numbers are 1 to 11. If we apply the sum function to this range, it will add all the values together. Let's see the result in the designated cell below. Now in this cells I am typing equals to sum within first bracket F3 semicolon P3, bracket close. As you can see, the sum function has successfully calculated the total of the numbers in the specified range, and the value is 66. Function 3. Average. Continue with other functions. Let's continue exploring the dashboard feature and switch from the sum function to the average function. Understanding average. The average function calculates the average of a range of cells. To find the average, we sum the values and divide by the number of values. In this case, we have 11 values, so the average will be the sum, divided by 11. Demonstration, using the drop-down menu, as you type the function name, Excel's autocomplete feature suggests matching options. Simply click on the desired function to quickly insert it into your formula. Result, Now, let's see the average value calculated using the average function. As expected, it's the sum of the values divided by 11, that is 66 divided by 11 equals to 6. Function 4, count. The count function counts the number of cells in a range that contain numerical values. It excludes cells with text or errors. Demonstration. Now I am changing the function from average to count. In the cells F3 to P3 values are 1 to 11. Explanation. In this example, the count function will return the number of cells in the range F3 to P3 that contain numeric data, and here it is 11. Let's change the value in cell F3 to A and see how the count function result changes. Now look, the result changes from 11 to 10. If you change the value in cell F3 to A, the count function will no longer include it in the count, as A is not a number. As you can see, the count has decreased by 1 because the count function is now excluding the cell with the text A. Function 5, COUNTA. The COUNTA function counts the number of cells in a range that contain any value, including text, numbers, or errors. Demonstration. Let's change the function name from count to COUNTA by typing A after count. You'll notice that Excel's autocomplete feature suggests the COUNTA function. As you can see, the result has changed from 10 to 11. This is because the COUNTA function includes cells with text, while the count function only includes cells with numerical values. Explanation. In this example, the COUNTA function returned the total number of cells in the range F3 to P3 that are not empty, regardless of their content. This includes cells with numbers, text, or errors. Function 6, max. Demonstration. Now I am changing the function name from COUNTA to max function. The max function returns the largest numerical value within a specified range of cells. Here it is 11. Let's change the value in cell F3 from 1 to A and observe the effect on the max function. As you can see, the maximum value remains unchanged. This is because the max function only considers numerical values. Text and error values are ignored. Explanation. In this example, the max function identified and displayed the highest numerical value among the cells in the range F3 to P3. Changing a cell to a non-numerical value does not affect the maximum value calculated by max. Function 7, MAXA. The MAXA function returns the largest value within a specified range of cells, including text and error values. Unlike the max function, which ignores non-numeric values, MAXA treats them as 0. Demonstration. Let's change the function name from max to MAXA by typing A after max. Excel's autocomplete feature will suggest the MAXA function. Explanation. In this example, the MAXA function will identify and display the highest value among the cells in the range F3 to P3, considering both numerical values and non-numeric values. Text and error values will be treated as 0. Testing with a text value. Let's change the value in cell F3 from 1 to A and observe the effect on the MAXA function. As you can see, the maximum value remains unchanged. This is because MAXA includes text and error values in its calculations, treating them as 0. Function 8, min. The min function returns the minimum numerical value within a specified range of cells. Here it is 1. Demonstration. Now I am changing the function from MAXA to min. Let's change the value in cell F3 from 1 to A and observe the effect on the min function. As you can see, the minimum value remains changed, from 1 to 2. This is because the min function only considers numerical values. Text and error values are ignored. Explanation: in this example, the min function identified and displayed the highest numerical value among the cells in the range F3 to P3. Changing a cell to a non-numerical value does not affect the minimum value calculated by min. Function 9, MINA. The MINA function returns the smallest value within a specified range of cells, including text and error values. Demonstration. Let's change the function name from min to MINA and observe the result. As you can see, the minimum value remains 1. This is because the min function and the MINA function are equivalent in this scenario, where all cells contain numerical values. Testing with a text value. Let's change the value in cell F3 from 1 to A and see the effect on the MINA function. Now, the minimum value has changed to 0. This is because MINA treats text and error values as 0. Since there's at least one text value in the range, the minimum value becomes 0. Explanation: in this example, the MINA function identifies and displays the lowest value among the cells in the range F3 to P3, considering both numerical values and non-numeric values. Text and error values are treated as 0. Function 10, CONCATENATE. Now, as before, by the help of drop-down menu I am switching over to the text function CONCATENATE. CONCATENATE is a powerful tool that combines text from multiple cells into a single cell. Unlike other functions where you select a range of cells, here, you need to select each cell individually, separating them with commas. Now, let's shift our focus to the data area, which has changed from cells F3 to P3 to cells A5 to K5. In this area, you'll find text scattered across various cells. We'll use the concatenate function to combine this text into a single string. The result will be displayed in the merged cells L5 to P5, which have replaced the previous display area of G4 to O4. Demonstration: we'll start by selecting merged cells, L5 to P5. Then, type concatenate, and select cell A5. Add a comma, cell B5, comma, cell C5, comma, cell D5, comma, cell E5, comma, cell F5, comma, cell G5, comma, cell H5, comma, cell I5, comma, cell J5, comma, cell K5. Finally, close the parentheses and press enter and watch the result. The concatenate function has combined the text from cells A5 to K5 into a single string, the dash big dash cat. Remember when we first typed the big cat in our introductory video? This is where it all started. Conclusion: concatenate is just one of many text functions available in Excel. By mastering these functions, you can manipulate text data in countless ways. As you continue your Excel journey, explore other text functions and discover their potential to enhance your productivity and analysis. Alright, let's dive into the function number 11, len. This handy tool is a lifesaver when you need to know the exact length of a text string. By the help of drop-down menu of the dashboard, I am switching over to the text function len. Here, you need to select a single cell or merged cell. Now, let's shift our focus to the data area, which has cells A5 to K5 to the merged cells G4 to O4. Yes, this merged cells we used as a demonstration area for the statistical function. Demonstration. Now I am deleting the MINA, F3P3, from new data area, and once again I am typing here, the, space, big, space, cat. Now I am typing the text function len to the demonstration area and selecting the merged cells, G4 to O4, finally, close the parentheses and press enter and watch the result. The len function has counted the total number of texts in the big cat. In this text we have 9 letters along with 2 spaces, but here we are watching the number is 11. Conclusion: you are watching the result as 11. This is because the len function counts not only the letters but also the spaces. Here along with 9 letters there are 2 space, hence the result is 9 plus 2 equals to 11. Alright, let's dive into the left function. This function is incredibly useful for extracting specific characters from the beginning of a text string. How it works: select a cell, choose the cell where you want the result to appear. Enter the formula, type equals left, followed by the cell or text string you want to extract from. Specify characters, add a comma and then the number of characters you want to extract. Close parentheses, finish the formula by bracket closing. Press enter, your result will be displayed in the cell. Demonstration. Using our merged cells G4 to O4, let's extract the first 3 characters of the text the big cat. Step 1. Select cell L5 to P5. Step 2. Enter the formula, equals left, G4, 3. Step 3. Press enter. You'll see the result is the. Remember, the left function only extracts characters from the beginning of a string, regardless of any changes made to the text afterward. Conclusion. The left function is a powerful tool for isolating initial characters in text strings. This can be helpful for tasks like creating abbreviations, formatting data, or analyzing text patterns. By mastering the left function, you can enhance your Excel skills and streamline your data analysis. Alright, let's dive into the right function. This function is incredibly useful for extracting specific characters from the end of a text string. It works in the opposite manner to the left function. How it works: the syntax for the right function is the same as the left function, equals to right within bracket, text, number underscore chars. Where text, the text string from which you want to extract characters. Number underscore chars, the number of characters you want to extract from the right end of the text string. Demonstration. Using our merged cells G4 to O4, let's extract the last 3 characters of the text the big cat. Step 1. Select cell L5. Step 2. Enter the formula, equals right, G4, 3. Step 3. Press enter. You'll see the result is cat. Remember, the right function only extracts characters from the end of a string, regardless of any changes made to the text afterward. Conclusion: the right function is a powerful tool for isolating terminal characters in text strings. This can be helpful for tasks like creating abbreviations, formatting data, or analyzing text patterns. By mastering the right function, you can enhance your Excel skills and streamline your data analysis. Let's explore the mid function. This function is incredibly useful for extracting specific characters from the middle of a text string. How it works. The syntax for the mid function is equals to mid, within bracket, text, start underscore number, number underscore chars. Where text, the text string from which you want to extract characters. Start underscore number, the starting position within the text string from where you want to begin extracting characters. Number underscore chars, the number of characters you want to extract. Demonstration. Using our merged cells G4 to O4, let's extract the middle 3 characters of the text the big cat. Step 1. Select cell L5. Step 2. Enter the formula, equals mid, G4, 5, 3. Step 3. Press enter. In this example, G4 is the cell containing the text. 5 is the starting position, the B in big. 3 is the number of characters to extract. You'll see the result is big. Remember, the mid function is versatile, allowing you to extract characters from any position within a text string. Conclusion. The mid function is a powerful tool for isolating specific portions of text strings in Excel. This can be helpful for tasks like extracting specific data from text, creating custom labels, or analyzing text patterns. By mastering the mid function, you can enhance your Excel skills and streamline your data analysis. Let's explore the upper, lower, and proper functions, which are essential for manipulating the case of text strings in Excel. Let's start with upper functions. Upper function. The upper function converts all characters in a text string to uppercase. Demonstration of upper function. Select cell L5. Enter the formula, equals upper, G4. Press enter. The result will be the big cat. Now let's explore the lower functions. The lower function converts all characters in a text string to lowercase. Demonstration of lower function. Select cell L5. Enter the formula, equals lower, G4. Press enter. The result will be the big cat. Now let's explore the proper functions. The proper function capitalizes the first letter of each word in a text string and converts the remaining letters to lowercase. Demonstration of proper function. Select cell L5. Enter the formula, equals proper, G4. Press enter. The result will be the big cat. Conclusion. These functions are invaluable for formatting text, ensuring consistency, and improving readability. By understanding and applying upper, lower, and proper, you can effectively manipulate the case of text strings within your Excel worksheets. That concludes our exploration of these essential Excel functions. These functions form the backbone of intermediate Excel proficiency. In our next video, we'll delve deeper into intermediate Excel concepts. Stay tuned for more advanced techniques and tips that will take your Excel skills to the next level. Thank you for watching this video. If you've made it this far, I'm assuming you're already a subscriber. But just in case, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tutorials and tips. Your support means the world to me.